Inventory shortage sends home prices soaring at a record rate of 14.8%, and year-over-year home price growth is the highest that we have seen it in nearly 30 years. Hi everyone, this is Kim Dowling, your broker and team leader here at Coastal Luxury Partners, and it's crazy to think that not only are we experiencing the highest levels of price growth in almost 30 years, but I have ridden the roller coaster of real estate markets going up and down now for over 28 years. I started with my family brokerage in 1993, and with hundreds of millions of dollars of real estate sales and transactions under our belt, this past year has been one of the most unpredictable of my entire career. We are still to this day experiencing listing shortages, and we are not alone. Markets are white hot throughout the United States, and yes, while home prices are growing at record rates, we do know from experience that 14.8% price growth is unsustainable, and it will level off at some point. This week, I would like to share with you the price growth map of the U.S. You can see the western states are seeing the biggest price gains, with 6 metro markets leading the way. We've got Austin, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Seattle, Washington, and Riverside, Sacramento, and San Diego in California, all growing at an annual rate of over 20% or more. 2 of the top 10 metro markets with the strongest price appreciation are right here in Florida. Tampa and the surrounding areas are averaging 17.3% growth, and Jacksonville, Florida is at 17%. Surprisingly, actually, Orlando has been one of the lower in the state. They've been averaging 11%. So the question is, when, especially here in our home state of Florida, will the inventory crisis end? Because quite simply, the rise in inventory will immediately slow the price growth. Our current levels of pricing will not continue at this pace for an extended period, especially when mortgage rates begin to rise. The only thing that we can do reliably right now is take a look at the history of the market. What comes up always goes back down and then cycles again. In the past, experts watch for a very important key metric, and that is the metric of payment to income ratios. So simply said, they keep a close eye on the affordability of homes. When payment to income ratios climb above 20.5%, it is considered to be a tipping point in the market, and analysts start to see price appreciation slow down. In a report that was released this past week, if rates on a 30-year fixed rate loan rises to 3.5%, that mid-threes, experts predict that the national payment to income ratio would hit 21.6%. There are reports predicting a payment to income ratio of 25% by 2022. So it's a lot of data and lots of numbers that we watch, and many of you like to know just exactly what to look out for. And for all of you that just want the bottom line, here's a quick summary. What we want to watch out for are interest rates. We are still hovering right at 3% for 30-year fixed loans. The market is expected to really shift when rates climb back to the mid-threes. And here's another prediction that you want to look out for. There are a lot of homeowners right now that are ready, willing, and able to sell their homes. They are just waiting for the right time with the market. They're sitting back and waiting for the perfect time. When inventory starts to go up, homeowners are going to be ready to sell their homes. They're not going to want to miss out on one of the greatest opportunities for equity that we have ever seen. I know this for a fact because here at Coastal, we launched a new program this past month called the Coastal Buy Before You List program, and our sellers are taking full advantage. It's a brand new program and our clients love it. It's actually surprised me at how fast it's taken off. If you are looking to sell your home, but you want the security of having a new place first, our Buy Before You List program allows you to buy a new home with your current home being ready to list and sell within 12 hours. We strategically create a better offer for you as you work with our buyer specialist to get an accepted contract on your next property. It's really a tremendous opportunity that most agents and brokerage, they cannot offer. They don't have the ability to move as quickly as we do, because we have the ability to move with confidence at a rapid pace for our clients, because we have a pre-designed concierge services in place, and most importantly, we have strategically brought our marketing in-house. We have our very own coastal marketing and media team assisting you every step of the way. So if you're looking to sell your home, but you need to find a new home first, it's easy to find out if your home is eligible. Just feel free to give me a call at any time, or you can go online to connectwithclp.com and request an assessment. We will put together a free, no obligation home value report, customized and crafted for you. And then one of our expert partner agents will check to see if you would be eligible for the buy before you sell program. I promise it's easy, and there is never any pressure. Our job is to be here to serve you and our community, so please feel free to reach out at any time. And as we wrap up, remember, key metrics to watch out for are when the inventory starts to change, it will start with rising mortgage rates. And I promise there will be a day when it's not so challenging to find a home. And don't listen to everyone telling you that it's not possible right now. Headlines about rising home prices and listing shortages have led to more than half of all buyers, over 56% of buyers surveyed, to believe that it's a bad time to buy. We put buyers under contract day in and day out here at Coastal, and we have the ability and the expertise to put a custom game plan together for you too. We absolutely can find the perfect new home, and we can do it with our new buy before you sell program, so it's not so stressful and overwhelming. If you have any questions, reach out. Our entire team here at Coastal is happy to be of help, and we will see you again soon.